Women are less likely than men to outrightly initiate sex with their partners, but to compensate, they are very well versed in the art of giving subtle hints. Here are 4 signs body language a woman wants sex. Number 1. Lips. Lips biting is not just an easy way to hint at impatience to move on to a romantic hump, but also an unconscious reaction to the presence of sexual stimulus. Perhaps at this moment, a girl is struggling with her naughty thoughts and is afraid to say too much, so she tries to restrain her passionate confession by biting her lips. Number 2. She touches you intimately. She might not jump your bones every time she is horny, but women are usually a little touchy freely in a not so obvious way when they feel aroused. She might touch you more often than normal. She might even be more daring by reaching and stroking your inner thighs, neck, and so on. Number 3. Her hips. You have to be really observant to notice this. But when a woman is in the mood for sex, there is an added sway to her hips. Men usually miss this because they are so used to their partners that they do not even notice them anymore. But the oldest and most popular way women get the attention of men is in the sway of the hips. This almost always draws the attention of men. Sometimes she might not even know she is doing it, but her body will naturally move sensually when she is horny. So whenever you notice your woman is walking back and forth in your view, and her hips and ass are swinging right, do not scold her for blocking the TV. Grab her and give her the sex she craves. Number 4. Staring game. Interest and sympathy for the opposite sex is read in the eyes. If a girl is sexually aroused and lust for a man, her pupils dilate, and her gaze continually stops at the object of desire. She may be embarrassed and pretend to look in a different direction, but one way or another the girl will glance at the man over and over again.